What's up guys? In this video, I'll show you how to fix connection issues or server error. First, right click on time in the bottom right corner of your taskbar and select adjust date and time. In the date and time settings window, turn on set time zone to automatically. Next, enable set time automatically. Then click on sync now to synchronize your system time with real time. Once the synchronization is complete, close the window. Having the correct system can help prevent certain issues with the game and online services. So after this step, try launching the game to see if the problem has been resolved. Next solution, click on the search bar and type in firewall. From the search result, click on firewall and network protection. Next, click on allow on app through firewall. Click on the change settings button. You may need administrator permission to do this. After that, scroll through the list and find the game. If you can't find the game in the list, click on the allow another app button. Use the browser button to add the game's executable file and click open. Then click add. Now click on the game in the list. Make sure both private and public checkboxes are enabled. This ensures the game is allowed through firewall on both private and public networks. By doing this, you are allowing the game to communicate through the Windows firewall finally. Click OK. Close the window and launch the game. Next solution, click on the search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Copy all the commands from the video and paste them into the command prompt one by one. Also make sure you press enter after each command. After you've completed all the commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Next solution, right-click on network icon in the taskbar and select Network and Internet Settings. Click on Advanced Network Settings and then find Network Reset. Click on Reset Now and confirm by clicking Yes. This will restart your network settings, which often helps fix connection issues. Once the reset is complete, close the window and restart your computer to apply the changes. Next solution, click on the search bar and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel, click on Network and Internet, then open the Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, click on Change Adapter Settings. Now, right-click on your active network connection and select Properties. In the list, select Internet Protocol version 4, then click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Set the preferred DNS server to 8.8.8.8. Add the alternative DNS server to the 8.8.4.4. This is a Google DNS server, which most likely and is the best DNS server right now. After entering the values, click OK. Finally, restart your computer. Once your system boots back up, try launching the game and check if the connection issues had been resolved. Next solution, Right-click on the network icon again and open Network and Internet Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Proxy, then open Proxy Setup and make sure that the proxy is turned off. After that, click Save to apply and changes. Now go back to the previous menu and click on VPN. If you have any VPN connections enabled, disable them. Finally, restart your computer and make sure all network changes take effect. Sometimes the game file can cause connection issues. Lastly, we can try verifying the game files and reinstall the game if nothing else works. Open Steam. Next, click on the Library tab where you can see all your installed and owned game. Right-click on the game and select Properties. From the menu, click on Installed Files. Now click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Extra tip, use a wired internet connection for faster speed and any close downloads. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a like. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.